Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Python code with Harry's easy method. Code with Harry provides excellent, beginner-friendly tutorials that break down complex concepts into understandable parts. His approach focuses on practical application, making it simpler to grasp Python fundamentals. You'll find his content covers everything from basic syntax to more advanced topics, ensuring a solid foundation for your coding journey. This method is designed for quick and effective learning. Harry's teaching style is designed to guide you step by step through Python. He starts with the absolute basics, like setting up your environment and understanding core concepts, such as variables and data types. Many of his lessons incorporate practical examples and exercises, encouraging you to write code yourself. This hands-on approach helps solidify your understanding and builds confidence in your programming abilities. To start your Python journey with Harry, I recommend beginning with his comprehensive Python tutorial for beginners series. These valuable resources are freely available on his popular YouTube channel and dedicated website. You'll find structured lessons, often including code snippets and problem sets to reinforce learning. Remember to follow the lessons in order for the best learning experience, building your knowledge progressively and effectively. To truly maximize your learning, consistent practice is key. After each lesson, try to write your own code, even if it's just modifying Harry's examples. Challenge yourself by building small projects, like a simple calculator or a text-based game. Also, make use of his Python cheat sheets for quick reference on syntax and common methods. This active engagement will significantly boost your coding skills.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.